Hey, what's up, Sneakerheads? We're on our way to pick up our pair from Hibbett Sports. We're gonna go pick up the Air Jordan 4 white cements. Can't wait to get these in hand. And the Hibbett Sports going to secure our pair. Here we go. Hey, what's happening, Sneakerheads? We're back with another Another unboxing. As you can see from the package, did get these from Hibbett Sports. I did have on the raffle on Saturday. Picked these bad boys up. As you can see, my size 10. Should already know what these are already. A regular box with that flight logo. Got the elephant print at the bottom. Looking at the print, elephant print. Opening up these bad boys here. Bam! You got the shoe right here. The Air Jordan 4 white cements. Go ahead and take both these bad boys out so we can have a closer detailed view of these. And I'm looking inside the box. I don't see any special stickers or in here. Check out the top real quick. There's no stickers right here on the box. We do see these bad boys right here. This does come with that hang tag Nike Air symbol. These haven't been re-retroed in a while, so you go ahead and adjust some of that lighting. A little bit too bright up in here. You got the shoe, looking at these bad boys. I'm looking at mine in hand. Overall, I do like my pair. I don't see any major flaws on these. Let me just check out the other pair real quick. Again, this is a very nice pair in my opinion. I don't see any flaws. This looks pretty good overall in my opinion. Let's go ahead and take a deeper dive of these. Again, we don't get any extra set of laces. However, it does come with that hang tag. Overall, the shoe is all white, as we can see. Because this is one of the OG pairs, we do have that Nike Air branding on the back. Looking at the bottom of the sole, we do see those pods right here in red, as well as that Nike in red as well. Overall, this is just a clean pair that has been re-retroed in the past and is being retro for this year. One of the major things about this pair is this year's pair is supposed to be the most, as far as the shape goes, authentic to the original 1988 pairs back in the day. But let me know your thoughts and comments about these. This is just a quick unboxing. As we can see from the toe box right here, it does have that widow's peak right there. This may be one of the ways you can tell a real from a fake. Overall, the leather on the toe is very smooth, as well as around the toe box it's very smooth. It doesn't really have any premium or that tumble leather look. Overall, it's just a really smooth throughout the whole entire shoe. And you can see those honeycombs right here in black, as well as we see that paint splatter on the wings right here. A very nice touch, as well as along the midsole. We do have that cement gray going all throughout with that splatter paint. And this is what gives it this shoe, the white cement. Is that speckles in the back. Again, we do have that Air branding in the back. Let's go ahead and check out that back tab. My back tab is kind of sharp. I don't know if that's the rest of the... It does feel a little bit softer than normal as far as the back tab. It's not that... It does feel a little bit softer, but it is pretty sharp right there. I don't know if that's going to cut into my leg or ankle, but only time will tell. I do see that white netting with that white protruding on the background of the netting. Looking at the toe box, we do see that it does come with white laces. I guess to get a more pop of color, you could have put in some gray, red, or black laces. Again, that iconic Jordan Jumpman on the tongue with that flight patch that we all love. This is one of the major things about this shoe. It does have that signature Michael Jordan in red. As usual, we will see that Air Jordan on back of the tongue. Looks pretty thin. It's not really puffy. And as you can tell, you can't see the back from the front. So I do like that touch. They made the tongue very nice and thin, which I do think that does look a lot better. This sock liner looks white to me, but it could be a little bit off, like gray. Let me know your thoughts and opinion about this sock liner right here. In the pictures, it did look more white, but as you can see, the white right here, the contrast, it is like a very light gray, so I am happy about that. You won't get your sock liner as dirty as much. Looking at the bottom of this shoe, we do see that same rubber outsole. Overall, this is just a clean shoe, and I was glad to add these into my collection. Looking at the pods in the back, You do see that white air bubble right there, and I don't know if it's hard to pick up, but inside the air bubble we do see like some grayish cylinders on the inside. Overall, this is just a clean shoe for the summer, and can't wait to rock these on feet. And let me know your thoughts and opinions about these sneakerheads. And you can grab you a pair. And are you rocking these or dropping these? But hey, if you continue to love content like this, make sure you hit that bell for notifications so you can see future unboxings like this. And until next time, we'll see you, sneakerheads.